Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set a shutdown timer for your earbuds QCY Buds ANC. You have to start by open QCY application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. You need to go to the settings at the middle top, and right here you need to find timer power off. So you will see this menu and you just scroll down a bit. Right here we have timing power off, so click on it, and now you can set time like 15 minutes, 13, 60, 90, or you can set a custom time, so you can click on it and let's say set only 1 minute and then click OK. And as you can see right here we have information that it will turn off for 1 minute. You can disable it by click not activate and set it again, let's say 15 minutes. You can also power off your earbuds right now by click at the button at the bottom. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.